What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Darth Vader from Fortnite Galactic Battle. And by the way, I'm Marty. I've worked in the video game and film industry for over 25 years and I've helped thousands of artists just like you level up their skills. If you want to get better and faster, sign up for my free club newsletter. I'll personally send you a new workshop every week plus bonus materials to help you grow. Now let's get on with today's lesson. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the mouth and nose area. So we're going to start on the left side, curve this up, across, and then bring that down. Now on the ends, we're just going to angle the mouth coming down and then out towards the bottom of the chin. On the bottom, let's add a small circle for that bolt. Now in between these two circles, draw a straight line going all the way across. Now let's trace this curve along the inside, going up and then down. And we'll flatten that off. And we'll trace the inside of the mouth. Let's start from this bottom corner, come all the way down, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's add those lines inside. So we're going to start with two lines, one on the left and then one on the right of center. And leave that same gap and work our way out towards the left. Let's add three more on either side. Now go back to the side of the nose, let's curve the eye, coming down and then up on either side. And I'll round out the top of the eye. Let's start from the outside, we're going to draw a half circle, going up, come around, and then back in. Let's add a fold underneath the eye from the inside, come down and then out. Now I'm going to add a glare inside the eyes. Let's start from the left side, draw a straight line coming in about halfway, line that up on the right. I just want to curve this out and then down. Let's bend this down and then out towards the left corner of the eyes. Now let's go in and fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Let's go back to the top of the nose. We're going to step up, draw another straight line going across. Then on the ends, draw a straight line going all the way up toward the top of the head. Let's close off the top. Now I want to draw that thick ridge that goes around the outside of the helmet. So we're going to start from the top of the eye, angle this down and then out. Now on the ends, let's flatten this off. Now let's follow this line going all the way up towards the top of the brow. And we're going to go up a little bit higher and then bend that back in. Let's line that up on the right, going up, go across, and follow that line coming down. Now let's go back to these two circles. We're going to angle the head, going up and then out underneath that hood. Let's wrap the hood in behind. So from this point, bend this up and then in. Now I'm going to go and fill this inside area of the helmet in black. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and round out the head. From this top point, step down, curve out, around. I'm just going to bring that down to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right, going out, come around, and then down towards the same height. Now it's going to blend this down toward the bottom corner. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to leave a gap underneath the head, starting on the left, bend this out and then down towards the left hip. Move over towards the right, come down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's step up, draw that same curve for the top of the belt. Now I want to leave a gap in the center and draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right. Let's move out and draw one more set of lines. Now I want to line up at the top of the body in the center, draw a straight line going across, and we're going to draw a square coming down, and then flatten this off. Let's add some simple buttons inside. So we're going to start from the top left, draw a square, move down, draw another one, and then over on the right side, we're going to draw two strips, going straight down towards the bottom, and then back up, and we'll do that one more time. Now let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, curving this down and then back up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side and curve the foot, going up, around, and then down towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we're going to go back up to the hips, we're going to curve the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We want to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now from the top of the foot, let's step up, add another curve for the edge of the boot. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left holding the lightsaber. Let's start underneath the head, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. And we'll wrap the thumb going up and then down around the handle. Round up the thumb and then bend that back up. Let's add another curve coming in across the palm. Now on the outside, we're going to draw three fingers. Let's start from the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Step down, draw another oval, tuck that up underneath the thumb, and we'll draw one more. Let's place the lightsaber in an angle in behind the hand. So we're going to start from the bottom with two lines coming down, round out the bottom. Now I'm going to go up towards the top. We're going to extend this all the way up towards the tip of the lightsaber with two lines, and I'll round out the top. Now just up above that top finger, I'm just going to separate this out. Let's go to the bottom finger. Step down, curve the palm coming in and then up. Step back, curve the bottom of the arm coming in towards the body. Let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Draw a half circle for the thumb and close off the end with a bracket. And I want to add three fingers on this side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, wrap the first finger around that bracket, step down, go out and then up, and then the third finger and go all the way around the outside of the arm, and just tuck that in underneath the head. Now in the center of the left arm, I'm going to add a curve for the edge of the glove. Let's go over towards the right side, curve this up and then out. Now we're going to go back to the top corners of that square, curve this up and then out towards the shoulders. Now we're going to add some lines inside. Let's start in the center with two lines coming down. Let's leave a gap on the left, bend this up and then out. Step out and draw that one more time. Now let's layer the cape in behind the body. We're going to start underneath the left arm, bend this out and then down. Go underneath the right hand, do the same thing. Now I'm going to connect the ends with a curve going in behind the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Darth Vader from Fortnite Galactic Battle. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.